Okay, the next method, string method I'm going to talk about is seeing if strings are equal, right? And as you remember from other videos, you cannot say, if S1 equals S2 for strings, and you'll understand in detail why not later. But for now, you can just remember that strings are not native types in Java. That's why it starts with a capital S, whereas like int, char, float, they all start with lowercase. So you can't use equals equals. So how do you compare if two strings are equals? Well, the way you do it is you take one of the strings and then you use a string method. And the string method you use is equals, and in here in parentheses you pass the other string. Now I could put a string in, I could write hello, or I could put another variable in, so it's my choice. So since I have another variable, I'm going to put it in there, right? So if string 1 dot equals string 2, then what do I want to do? I'll print something out. The strings are equal, right? Okay, so this is the way we compare to see if this string and this string are the same. So let's run this. Oh, well, let's make it a little more formal. Let's say else, the strings are not equal, right? Okay, that's a little cleaner, right? Okay, so let's run this program, and it says the strings are not equal because clearly they're not. Let's now say, let's compare it instead of just to S2. I'm going to actually write this is a test, right, period, and see if they're equal. And they should be equal because S1 does equal that string, right? And it says the strings are equal. So that's how you compare if strings are equal or they are not equal.